DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
DJ ATV.
See, the matter not gonna be passing at the verse. At the paro, governor Obaseki, at the paro for you. You cannot do me anything about your verse. You as a governor, no use of veto power. See, yeah, all those agberulis and all those touts. They disturb your tenor. You don't use of veto power to position those people from one side. You just look there. Obaseki, in fact, people don't go treat that matter. That one they one side. I want to know one thing. I don't fear to do the fucking. I must tell the truth, and the truth shall set me free. And this is a fundamental human right, freedom of speech. I must talk my mind. If I might speak pidgin English. Now you're filming because I believe, say man, when I do uptown, when I never visit my country, and my state, Edo State. And they say, wow, Obaseki go do this one. Why go betray the Shomule? Why go do this one? I go Nigeria, my eyes see things. I'm at work. What did they call it? When I crank boss, he blocked me because of any live they do, I don't know they comment rubbish. He blocked me. I never move. And now I say, what did that guy they talk? They say now, where person for the work and there for the shop. But that guy is very sincere. See, Moku talk the facts. Moku just reason the facts. Obaseki walk. As far as I'm concerned, being a bona fide citizen of Edo State of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Obaseki is the best governor when Edo State don't get. Which is the get independence. I'm telling you, he's the best. You the shout bye bye to your governor. See, now with the Europe, I will suffer. If mistakenly says a yamu enter, una mama, it will call na tire. That region will be said that they turn Gary and rice together and one apple so. Those people that are fighting for Yamu, because they want to go Akugbe venture, they want me Akugbe venture resume again. And may all those bus driver, whatever driver welfare resume again. They are fighting for their own interests. They will not dare they kill themselves. See, my turn I want you. You will want to go fight. You will want to go kill. Don't leave your head for us. You carry your head for nobody. If really you love your state, you not go say you want to go fight. You will talk truth. You will support the place where we say you know say our sincerity today. Not because you want chop, you want to do your own business, you want to get your own benefits, you want to do it not clear. No, all those kind of money, not the big person they prosper. But this is here. Me, I was a fan of Adam Saliu Oshomole. I was a fan of Pastor, not Pastor Kola, Isaiah Yamu. But as I go Nigeria, I come back. I might change. You know why? Not be waiting that they talk for social media. Not me, be everything as can. If you want to know what they tell you with the diaspora, try a buy ticket, go your states. Go see what Obaseki don't do for those states. Me will be say that yeah, they park for anywhere for Ring Road. They don't get special parking space. Market women don't position themselves. Water seller, all those people they hawk water when they hawk all those like I said, they don't do one side. You know go here say one guru your coin you use, you're the slap woman when you get picky say or when you get let's say, madam, give me your money, ticket, 100 naira. Even though do Matla say, Mama, madam, bros, I never says this morning and they'll sick moose. But all those things no they happen. Obaseki don't stop all those things. Those are the number one things we be say, man. I always pray say make it happen for the states. That's why I did the states. Because they see when they molest market woman, even when they get belly, carry picking. Even so when of girls man when they use water to train their children. They molest them. You understand? So I used to go beg when I beg. You will did diaspora, now not get PVC. Now the shots. Bye to your governor. PVC now not get. Can you go home and vote? No. You understand? You cannot go home and vote. People who don't go Nigeria account, and now I know why they support Obaseki. People like Ojebo, social media president, so many people. Those ones don't go Nigeria, they don't come, they don't see things. The same way they say go, and say I see go, I see things. And now I know why those people they support Obaseki. Because nobody will not like better thing. Nobody for this life will not like better thing. If you like your family, you like your mama saying a trader, you go vote for Obaseki. But if you say you don't like your mama, you don't like your papa when they trade or your family they trade, vote for Ezeyamu. So now the opportunity to tell your family say, oh man, who am I voting in Obaseki? This is time to condition them. Obaseki is trying. Obaseki is trying. I must tell you the fact. Hey, see, I don't need the one error. I mean, then I mean a balance. I don't need the one error. They'll say maybe this one don't collect money. One error I never collect. I do okay. I don't even need the money. But it's good anyway. We be say you see the truth, Maybe the yarn. Because the more you yarn the truth, the more God will open way for you. No more say you see truth, you the one they follow where like day.
DJ ATV.
To be alive. If you are disrespecting the palace, it shall not be well with you. That is a no-go area in Benin. It's a no-go area. So now palace front, now they go fight now. Una not see anywhere else fight. Una not fight for Upper Sakboba. Una not fight for Ugbawo. Una not fight for Ekenwa Road. Now to carry a come Oba Palace for Ring Road, now there una come fight. Because you heard the governor was coming. If you have respect for the Oba at all, when the governor is coming to see the Oba, you're not supposed to appear for that scene at all. Because the Oba, he may have actually obtained permission from the Oba to speak to him, or the Oba may have called him to talk to him. Una disrespect governor. You not do. Una can't disrespect Oba. And some Benin people still they get mouth talk. Anybody when you disrespect Oba, don't disrespect una. Now God go punish all of una. When you support them, do that thing. The palace is a no-go area. That's why they tell you now. I'm a Benin woman. The palace is a no-go area. Not be there now, they go fight. They are only people who have senses in their head, who have brains. So what you are now saying is the Oba is not big enough to listen to the governor or what? What was your intention of trying to stop Obaseki from seeing the monarch? Why were you there in his palace? What did you go there to do? Now they can't send me a video. Obaseki wow, he can't they shoot if for kill now. As a matter of fact, I don't know why the police officers aimed at your ribs or your legs or your hand. Now I heard it for aim. Now they're supposed to aim at. Because he's a sitting governor. He's got security. He cannot be attacked. Make una try him again. Even if na for see local road, una say make una stop. Make those police officers make sure say they kill at least 10. You not go better for una, or you not go ever better for una. Now that's why I can't talk this afternoon, because the thing pain me well. When I see and say now Oba Palace, now they go begin make noise. And to make matter worse, they begin post them everywhere, say they go Oba Palace. Now so Obaseki security can't shoot them. Why are you bringing the king into this? He's sitting in his palace. He's been quiet. He has not told you what to do or what not to do. What do you know they bring him into this matter for? Why? Why? Every Tom, Dick and Harry, every goat and fowl for Benin don't begin play politics. Why now? And they want play politics. They don't know where their limits reach. Una live una papa and mama house. Una go meet. Una don't disrespect government because government they don't know themselves. Now Oba una want begin disrespect. Now begin go palace. As they take, say, now so they shoot their hand, they shoot their leg, they shoot their neck. I beg, Obaseki, make you get police to arrest every one of them. Lock them away until all those hand and leg don't rot. Not release them. That's the yabo. Lock each and every one of them away. I don't care what happened to any of them. They are all thugs. No human being among them. Oshomole when they use them do one with Kabaka. Now thug them be. Oshomole they talk of people not having qualification. Me, I don't know the qualification when you get when you take do a those state governor. I've always told you people, I'm neither PDP or APC. What I'm saying is let there be a fair ground. But please, know where your limit is. The palace is a no-go area. It's not for idiots like you people. Go and play your politics outside and away from there. Because what is going on there has nothing to do with you. Sitting governor want go see, the whole thing now, wow, una really bold. And you had the, where did they talk that in those days with this animal boldness? To even record video, begin talk, say Obaseki, police officers shoot una for rib. They begin saying that to me. You know, see what Obaseki police do to some when they for kill una. Every one of una deserve to be killed. That the truth be that. I bet Mona help me share this video. Make every Benin person hear him. That's how I talk him. I know they fear. I don't talk him. Palace not be well now go do una politics. Mona carry him out. Make una carry him out. He has nothing to do with it. If the governor has gone to see the Oba, it's because he was invited. Maybe he has sought the Oba's audience and the Oba has permitted him to go. But make una go meet him for gates. Una no even fear. Una no even fear at all. Una no fear. Una begin send me the video. All those rubbish video. Una they send to me. Una no fear. For Oba Palace, una begin go the cause chaos to the extent police begin take gun shoot. Hello, Angela, darling. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday to you. Yeah, thank you. We are all doing well. We are all safe. I hope you're keeping safe too. You know. So now that one I say make a quick talk. I've been saying I'm not gonna do this Facebook thing, but they disturb me with all those videos from APC thugs. Say now so they shoot their hand, now so they shoot their leg, now so they shoot their neck. Anywhere they like me, they shoot. As a matter of fact, me they vex for Obaseki police. Now their head is supposed to aim at. Shoot their head. Now their head. Make sure say they die. I don't get sympathy for any of them. People when don't begin disrespect Oba of Benina. Hey! Who then una not go disrespect? Very soon I'll say make we remove her from there, be. Make una careful. More not careful. Now Benin we they talk about. We are not talking about Lagos, or we are not talking about Abuja. We are talking about Benin. You better be very careful. This power one that they find when one kill una head. So more not careful, oh. More not careful, oh. More not careful. Don't make una know say not be everybody in that person they take play. No matter how picky precious, in Papa what they give her in beats, make it take play. Make una take una head, make una mind on herself. Make all of una mind on herself. Make all of una mind on herself. How dare you go to the palace? If you not too bold, why not go meet her for government house? Don't you know where Obaseki is? Don't you know where he lives? Why did you go to the palace to meet him? That's disrespectful to the monarch. Very disrespectful. You have no right to have gone there at all. The Oba has right to call whoever he likes to his house, and he has right to listen and has right to have an opinion. How dare una? They had a meeting. That was disrespectful to the Oba, who owns the palace, who knew the governor was coming. That was very disrespectful. Now that one I say make I talk. Una all do well. Now some me they talk my own. No, I don't talk my own this afternoon. I'm really angry about it. I'm very angry. Benin people when they say una they dance follow APC. Say Obaseki now, so Obaseki do this and so. When the fire start now, una head una go take carry, not concern me. Now here I sit down. Now here I go dey from look una. Where una go dey suffer. As far as I am concerned, this one alone when they do for Oba Palace show una the kind of life una go. People will not the respect of Omonoba anymore. You go to his palace to confront somebody he had invited. Una go meet Obaseki for where he go meet Omonoba. Then nobody is safe now, Abi. Nobody is safe now. If you can dare that, and una fear no even catch any of una, all those smelly idiots. They begin do video, they send out to me. Madam, you not see what Obaseki do to una. Make up una no well at all. Una know well, una head not correct. Now God go punish una. Begin send me video. Say I don't see what Obaseki do to una. Obaseki is supposed to shoot una head. Supposed to shoot una head. Asking police to kill una. Why is it make he shoot maybe hand or shoot leg? Now una head is supposed to shoot. As a sitting governor, people want to attack him. Insecurity there at risk. He's supposed to shoot una head. And more so before the Oba. Oba na he get house. Now he invite people over. How dare you? Make all of una go smell die. I beg. My people, I don't talk finish. I beg Mona help me share this video. Make it reach where they dey. I know they fear to talk am. Make the next time.
DJ LTV.